Good morning, kids. Are you all happy or sad? Happy, right? Are you all happy? Yes. So, our today's session we start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Now rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes. And now you will fresh. Okay, so today's session we start with phonic sound. Phonic sound. So shall we start? A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says A. F says G. G. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. M. N. O. 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 What is the phonic sound of O? O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. T. T. U. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. And Z. Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? Z. So kids, our phonic sound is done. Now, what is this? Smiley. Are you all happy today? Happy face. Which face is this? Happy face. So, happy face कौन से शेप का है? Any idea? Happy face कौन से शेप का है? Circle. Yes, circle shape का है, right? So, are you all happy today? Yes or no? Yes, right. So now, say we are happy today. We are happy today. Yes, you are happy today. So now, what is this? Fruit. And which fruit is this? Any guesses? Yes, orange. Which fruit is this? Orange. And orange in orange color. Orange is in orange color. This is orange. And what is the color of orange? Orange. Orange का color क्या होता है? Orange होता है, right? So, orange कौन सी shape का है? Any guess? Circle. कौन से shape का है? Circle shape का है. कौन से shape का है? Circle shape का है. और orange खाने में कौन से taste का होता है? Sweet and sour. खट्टा मीठा होता है ना orange? आप लोगों ने orange खाया है? खट्टा मीठा होता है, right? So now activity time. Kids, in this activity we need a A4 size white paper. Then we need color. Which color is this? Orange color. Which color is this? Orange color. So we need orange color. And we need a bottle top. हमें क्या चाहिए? Bottle cap चाहिए, है ना? So now मैंने ऑरेंज कलर को एक बाउल में निकाल लिया है, जैसे कि आप भी ये कर सकते हो. देन dip a bottle top like this. और आपको क्या करना है, प्रिंट इट हियर। आपको क्या करना है, प्रिंट करना है, फिर ओपन करना है। सो विच शेप इज दिस? सर्कल। विच शेप इज दिस? सर्कल। नाउ अगेन डिप। फर्स्ट हमें क्या करना है, डिप करना है, देन पेपर पे प्रिंट करना है लाइक दिस एंड देन स्लोली। सो हम ये कौन से कलर से कर रहे हैं? ऑरेंज कलर से, राइट? लाइक दिस। हमने इसमें क्या किया? We take a orange color, we take a orange poster color and then we print with the help of a bottle cap, right? So ये कौन सा शेप है? सर्कल, राइट? सो कोई मुझे बता सकता है कि अल्फ़ाबेट सीरीज में, अल्फ़ाबेट लेटर्स में सर्कल जैसा क्या आता है? कोई मुझे बता सकता है ऐसा क्या आता है? यस, ओ। विच लेटर? ओ। ओ लेटर सर्कल शेप का ही होता है ना, राइट? ओ फॉर ऑरेंज, ओ फॉर ऑरेंज, है ना? ऑरेंज। हमने ऑरेंज कलर से क्या किया? ये सर्कल। एंड सेम एज ओ फॉर ऑरेंज, राइट? सो नाउ जैसे कि ये सूख जाए तो आप इसमें इमोजीज भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, राइट? सो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे क्या ड्रॉ किया? हैप्पी, यस। देन सैड, which emoji is this? Sad. Then which emoji is this? Surprise. Which emoji is this? Surprise. Which emoji is this? Angry. Which emoji is this? Angry. Then which emoji is this? Sob. Sob यानी रोना, right? Which emoji is this? Naughty, है ना? Naughty emoji है ना? So हमने क्या किया? We make a circle with the help of a bottle cap and then we make a emojis. और emojis कैसी शेप की होती है? सर्कल शेप की, राइट? सर्कल शेप की होती है ना इमोजी, जैसे कि मैंने आपको वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में ही आज इमोजीज दिखाए थे। सो ये एक्टिविटी से हमें क्या सीखने को मिला? We make a circle, we make a letter O and then we make also emojis. There are many feelings, right? Happy, sad, surprise, angry, sob and naughty. आप लोग हो naughty? है ना? बच्चे तो naughty होते ही है, right? So now our activity is done. What is this? This is a fruit. This is a fruit. Orange. Oh, orange. And orange is sweet and sour in taste. Orange कैसा होता है? थोड़ा सा खट्टा, थोड़ा सा मीठा. Means कि खट्टा मीठा, sweet and sour. So now आपको पता है आज मैम ने कौन सी कलर के कपड़े पहने? मैम ने पहना है ब्लैक एंड ऑरेंज. ब्लैक एंड orange. So now I will show you some picture. Are you all ready? Let's sing a song. An ox. Which picture is this? Ox. An ox walking all around in the field. An ox walking all around in the field. Ox क्या करता है? Ox आप लोगों ने देखा है? Yes, हमारे घर के पास आसपास हमें ox तो दिखाई देते हैं, right? So ox क्या करते हैं? हमारे घर के आसपास हमारे सराउंडिंग एरिया में हमें दिखते हैं, right? Then it can be found in the field. An octopus swimming all around in the water. Swimming all around in the water. It can be found. आपको ऑक्टोपस, आप लोगों ने ऑक्टोपस देखे? Yes, sea creature. An octopus swimming all around in the water. It can be found. वो कहाँ पे दिखते हैं हमें? वाटर में, राइट? सी में हमें ऑक्टोपस कहाँ पे दिखते हैं? सी, बिकॉज ये हो गया है, कौन सा एनिमल है? सी एनिमल, सी क्रिएचर्स, राइट? सो नाउ an ostrich running all around. An ostrich running all around. Do you know where it can be found? Do you know? आप लोगों को पता है ऑस्ट्रिच कहाँ पे दिखते हैं? In South Africa. ऑस्ट्रिच साउथ अफ्रीका का बर्ड है. आप लोगों को पता है ऑस्ट्रिच इज अ बर्ड एंड ऑस्ट्रिच कहाँ का बर्ड है? साउथ अफ्रीका का. सो लेट्स सिंग अ सॉन्ग अगेन. एन ox walking all around in the field. It can be found. An octopus swimming all around in the water. It can be found. An ostrich running all around. Do you know where it's found? Yes, South Africa. में कहाँ दिखते हैं ऑस्ट्रिच? साउथ अफ्रीका में. सो आपको मजा आया ये राइम्स में? सो ये राइम्स में क्या था? ऑक्स, ऑक्टोपस, ostrich. So now I will show you another picture. So which picture is this? Onion. Onion. Which picture is this? Orange. Oven. Owl. Owl is a bird. जैसे कि श्रद्धा मैम ने आप लोगों को birds में सिखाया होगा, right? Owl and ostrich, right? So which picture is this? Owl. Olive. So now once again we learn ox, onion, octopus, ostrich, owl, olive, and these all things are related with letter O. With letter O. And O says O. What is the phonic sound of O? O. तो आप लोगों को पता तो चल गया होगा कि आज हम कौन से लेटर करने वाले हैं, राइट? सो नाउ सबसे स्टार्टिंग में हमने क्या सीखा था? यस, स्माइली. स्माइली कौन सी शेप की थी? सर्कल. एंड सर्कल मेक्स लेटर O. देन वी सी ऑरेंज. हमने क्या लिखा था अभी? ऑरेंज. और ऑरेंज कौन से शेप का होता है? सर्कल. एंड सर्कल मेक्स लेटर O. So shall we start our today's classwork? Are you all ready? So once again we revise letters. Once again we revise object. Ox. O for ostrich. What is the phonic sound of O? O. What is the phonic sound of O? O. O for ostrich. O for owl. O for olive. O for octopus. O for oven. So now we learn how to write O. And O is easy, right? O तो लिखने में easy है ना? So let's start. First we start with upside and then we make a circle. जैसे कि मैथ्स में आपको शुद्ध हमने सिखाया था, राइट? We make a circle. O says O. O says O. Now, in our English book, there are 4 lines, right? Pink line, then 2 blue line, and then another pink line. So, how we start our O letter? First we write capital letter. So, pink line to blue line make a curve and then another curve. Letter O. Then between 2 blue lines we make a small letter O, and O says O. O says O. So today's class work is in our English textbook. Take out your English textbook, everyone. Kids, today's class work is in English textbook. So take out your English textbook, everyone, and page 34. Take out page number 34. Write CW here. Circle the object whose name begin with O sound. Which sound? O sound. So which picture is this? Which fruit is this? Apple. Which fruit is this? Apple. So apple start with O. O sound? No. Then which picture is this? Orange. Which picture is this? Orange. And orange start with O. O sound. O. Orange. Yes. So circle the object. Now paste sticker here. Today we learn how to write letter O. So paste the sticker, write CW here and paste the sticker here. And where is the sticker? In the last page of a book. Then apply letter O here. Like this. So our first page class work is done. Now take out page number 35. Take out page number 35. Cinderella and Prince Charming. Cinderella and Prince Charming are standing on the bridge. On मतलब ऊपर. कहाँ पे खड़े थे वो? ब्रिज के ऊपर. On the bridge. In this picture, we see a Cinderella and Prince Charming are standing. Standing मतलब खड़े होना. कहाँ? On the bridge. So now, today we learn letter O, small letter O. So write CW and date. So are you all ready? Take out your pencil and eraser, everyone, and look at the board. Kids, write CW and date, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया. And then are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Trace and write. हमें क्या करना है? In first row we trace the letter and then we write the letter. So are you all ready? So first of all, between 2 blue lines we make a small letter O. We trace small letter O and O says O. So we start with here half curve, then other half curve. We make letter O. We start with here. Remember kids, जहाँ से हमने start किया है वहाँ पे हमें finish करना है, right? Letter O and O says O. O says O. We start with here and we end with here, right? जहाँ से start किया है हमें उसे circle means curve में हमें क्या करना है? Complete करना है. So trace part is done. Now writing time. Between 2 blue lines, we make letter O, small letter O. First make a curve, then join it. Which shape is this? Circle, and circle makes letter O. O says O. O says O. O for orange. O says O. O for ostrich. O says O. O for ox. O says O. Between two blue lines, make a half curve, then other half curve. Says letter O. O for orange. O. Orange. What is the phonic sound of O? O. What is the phonic sound of O? O. So our classwork is done. Now homework time. Classwork is done. Now homework time. Write HW here and date. Parents, please guide your children. Write the letter O. Between two blue lines you make a half curve, then other half curve. O says O. O says O. O for orange. O says O. O for ox. O says O. So today's classwork is done. Remember, today's classwork and homework is done. Remember kids, our today's classwork and homework is in English, page number 34 and 35. 35, 3 line is in classwork. English page number 35, 1 line is in homework. So our today's classwork and homework is done. Hope you like our today's classwork. Thank you everyone.